Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and delicious chicken salad. Healthy does not mean boring. This salad is perfect if you want to lose some weight, go on a diet, and still have delicious food. Let me show you how I did it. Start off by cutting the chicken breast in two. Ensure that it is as even as possible. This is going to give you more chicken for the salad, and also it is going to lower your cook time, and it's going to prevent the chicken breast from becoming very dry. I want it to be like a nice juicy chicken. So cut it in two, and then next we're going to begin seasoning the chicken. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to add some Eve ginger soy sauce. This is going to give the chicken a very nice flavor. Next, I'm adding some Maggi Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. This is going to up the spice a little bit, give it a little bit of kick. To that, I am adding some blended ginger and garlic. And then I'm going to put a little bit of Maggi all-purpose. Here I have a blend of seasonings: salt, black pepper, Maggi chicken seasoning, cumin, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. I'm also adding a little bit of paprika for color, and then I'm going to just use a spoon and incorporate the seasoning in the chicken as well as possible, and then I'm going to set it aside to marinate while I prepare everything else for the salad. So here I'm just chopping up some lettuce. I have some spinach, local spinach that I got from the market. I'm just going to roll it up and chop it into some nice small strips. And everything that I'm chopping up, I'm just going to set it aside. For the tomatoes, I did not add the seeds because I want to keep the salad dry. This is going to help to keep the excess water out of the salad and help it to be fresh for a longer time. Here I'm using a spoon to remove as much of the seeds as possible, and then I'm going to cut them up into long fine strips. For the cucumbers, I like to remove the center and use just the outer sections only. This is because the center has a lot of water and the seeds as well. The less water you have in the salad, the longer it will last, and this will help to keep the salad nice and fresh. I normally just eat the center, or you can use it to make juice. You can cut them up into cubes or you can shred them, whichever one you like. I decided to shred most of mine. Since it's mango season, I wanted to make use of these huge, amazing mangoes that I found in the grocery store. These are so meaty and perfect for salads. What I did, I just cut each side of the mango as close to the seed as possible. You can use the flesh from the seed to make juice, or you can just eat it just like that. Once you've separated the seed from the flesh, you need to remove the skin and then cut the mango into small cubes. Another way to do it is to cut some lines down the mango and then cut some lines across, and just like that you're going to have some pretty good looking mango cubes. From here you can just use a spoon to scoop out the cubes and add them to your salad. Next, I'm going to thinly slice some red onions, and now that everything is done, let's work on the dressing. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of mustard, and then I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of honey, some salt, black pepper, and a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to give all of that a very good mix. And just like that, we have our salad dressing, a delicious honey mustard sauce. So just set that aside, and then now it's time to start working on the chicken. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and remember to click that bell icon so you'll never miss another video. Ensure that you get your pan nice and heated up. Add a little bit of olive oil, and then when the oil is hot, you're going to add the chicken. We want it to cook for about 4 minutes on each side on medium heat, and you want it to have that very nice color, because that is going to give a lot of flavor, guys. And trust me, this chicken was so delicious, so delicious. You guys need to write down the combo, the powder seasoning combo. Trust me, tastes so good. Okay, so I'm going to just cook the chicken for about 8 minutes, and then when it's done, let it have a rest for about 5 minutes, and then slice it up and set it aside. And just like that, we're done. So now it's time to put everything together. Guys, doesn't this look just amazing? Trust me, I can't wait for you guys to try this. And the sauce, the salad dressing, it just brings everything together. It was so perfect. You want to ensure that you give it a good mix so everything is well incorporated and that you get a bite at every little thing. And this is what it looks like in the end. It was so easy to make, so delicious, perfect. You know, if you just want to cut down the carbs and eat well, eat clean, yeah, this one is for you guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comment section below. And until next time, this is Cook Like Sasha. Bye, guys.